Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Life with Spike. I've got a few new things going on. I got Starlink. That's freaking awesome. I'll show you a little bit of unboxing on me opening that up. That was super cool having that come in today. So now I've got that ready to go. I'm gonna have to find some batteries to go with it because there's no way I'm gonna run that, my freezer, and my laptop all on that little tiny batteries I got. So I'm gonna have to upgrade those and find something a little bit bigger. So you guys will check that out. So I'm gonna go check out the van here in a few seconds. I need to go investigate what's going on with the transmission, see what's going on with that. And once I figure out what that's all about, then we can go to the store and order some parts. Oh yeah, we've got this light bar that I've got. It came in the mail. I ordered it on Amazon anyways, just like not too long ago. So I'm gonna go check that out and put it on the battery and see if it works. If it works, sweet. I'm also testing something else out with the battery shunt that I got, the Victron battery shunt. I need to calibrate it or figure out how to get it to work properly, because it's still not changing. I don't know what's going on, so I'm gonna figure that out. I have to probably go online a little bit and do some research, or just let it be and just use the system and charge it up and then use it again. I don't know. So we'll figure that out. If you have any suggestions, you can put it down in the comments. I'll read it and check it out later. There she is. Ooh, that's exciting. Looks sturdy. Screw it, I'm just gonna pull it. I'm too excited. That's cute. I like that sticker. The only thing I don't like about this thing is it doesn't come with an Ethernet checkout. What the heck, man? I'd love to just be hardwired and no Wi-Fi signals. Alright, so I'm under here. I'm looking at my van. I see exactly where it's leaking. It's leaking right there. It's just dripped just a few seconds ago. A lot of transmission fluid has already leaked out. Thank goodness I put this cardboard under here to catch it. So I'm gonna go ahead and order I think I'm gonna order a new pan, because this one doesn't have a drain plug. And I'd like to change my transmission fluid often since it's an older vehicle. And we'll pop in a transmission pan with a drain plug, pop a new seal on, and hopefully this will be solved. But it looks like right there. I don't see any problems up here. It's sweating, like there might have been some transmission fluid leaking up here. But I think it's good. I think it's not bad. So that's hot. I just had it running. I popped it up on a few blocks just to get it up off the ground a little bit more so I could have a little more room under here. I don't see any leaks back here, but I'm told if I can replace this, and then I'll save a bunch of money. So I think I can do that. We'll get that going. So I went to the store, picked up a oil pan with a drain plug, figured out where the leak is. You can see in the previous video that you just saw. Now that I know where the leak is, I can order the oil pan, which is coming on Thursday. So hopefully we can make a video on that. I'm gonna drop that oil pan. I'm gonna catch as much of that transmission fluid as I can, I'm gonna buy a new bottle, put some new fluid in there, because this is pretty much an engine or a transmission fluid flush, because I'm dropping the pan, putting a new pan on, a new gasket, a new filter. So hopefully you guys come along for that episode next time. Hopefully we get the heating element pad for the bathroom here pretty soon, so we can actually do the next episode of the bathroom. And then we're gonna install this and play with it and see what the speeds are here. And we're gonna switch it to roam, and then we're gonna take it out in the bush and try it. Because I still do have my little Jackery box that I can run the Starlink off of, and it should be just fine running off that Starlink. It doesn't require more than 200 watts. So that Jackery box will definitely run that, and we'll play with it for a little bit. Might not do like a lot of video editing out in the bush, but you know, at least I'll get a little bit of time with it. We've got the big batteries still. I probably won't bring the freezer out right away on my first trip out, because it's going to be a short trip, because I'm going to come back here and we'll work on that van a little bit before the summer hits, and then we'll go play out in the bush more. I don't know. I still haven't made full plans yet. I would love to be in the car right now and out playing, but I want to get this bathroom done. So stick around for that. We'll get that done and ready to go. And we'll get an actual bathroom reveal going on, so we can actually show off this cool bathroom that we've been building. So, that being said, so if you guys like what you see, we'll catch you on the next episode here and here. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.